is open Adobe XD and create new project. Create a circle. Color it as blue and remove its border. Add F text on the center of the circle. Make sure it's on the center. Resize according to the circle ratio. Make it bold 1. Export as SVG format. Open Blender, delete the cube by pressing X. And then go to Import in File, and import the SVG image we created by Adobe XD. You resize it as you wish. And I have given a size of 10 in X and Y. You can find geometry on curves option. In it, there will be an option called extrude. Using that, make your SVG image to a 3D one. Resize it as per your wish. At the bottom you can find the animation bar. With help of that we are going to make a small animation. Select the object to be animated, and change the frames where you need to show some changes. Before that, enable the circle button which is near to the play button. Change the frames and make the change in object transform to have animation based on transform contour. At last, keep the viewport as you want to fix the camera. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Num 0, which fix the camera to the current view. At last, play the animation and see the result.